Hello and welcome to Bobby Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at lead magnet ideas. In previous videos we went over the steps that we need to go through to start building up our email list, and today we're going to be looking into lead magnet ideas and what makes a great lead magnet that your target customers actually want. So have you wondered what to use as your lead magnet, and have you wondered what it is that makes a great lead magnet that actually converts? So we're going to look into that now. So what makes a high converting lead magnet? What is it that makes a lead magnet successful? Well, the first thing is a high converting lead magnet must be targeted to the audience. So whoever your ideal prospect is, that lead magnet needs to be something that target audience will want. It's something that will appeal to them. It's something that will speak to them. So you need to bear that in mind firstly. The next thing is it needs to solve a particular problem. So first it's targeted to the audience, and then it needs to be specific in what it is that it's talking about. So if you can think of all the problems that your particular customers may have, or your prospects, the issues and difficulties that they may have and come across, if you just pick one of those to target, that is what will make it specific. So we're going to specify the problem, one problem, and that's what we're going to focus on in that lead magnet. The next thing is the lead magnet must be quick and easy to consume. So in the previous videos we talked about the different formats that your lead magnets can come in. So the best ones are the ones that are quick and easy to read and digest and apply, because people are so busy these days. People want instant fixes. People want things that save them time, money, stress. So something that's quick, easy to consume, and quick and easy to apply is what you want. The next thing is it has to be very easy to access. So something like instant download, something they can quickly get their hands on and start going through. That's the next factor. So we're going to go through the steps that we are going to make our lead magnet. The first step will be we're going to write down the problems and the difficulties that our ideal prospects have in that niche. So whatever it is, their difficulties, whatever it is, their anxieties, their whatever, write those down, because we're going to pick one to target. Then we're going to decide which problem we're going to be targeting. Next, we're going to write or create the solution. Obviously, we're going to have the solution to present to them in the lead magnet. Then we're going to decide what formats is best for that content. So some things may be best in just simple PDF, some things may be good in audio, some a video. Let's say if you're in health and maybe sort of fitness, you could provide a video. That might be a great idea for a lead magnet. And then we're going to make sure that the content is concise and easy to digest, easy to get through, and easy to apply. Like I said, people are very busy these days, so we want it to be very concise and very quick to digest and use. Then we're going to set up the landing page with an opt-in form, which will be connected to our autoresponder, for example, AWB or GET Response, and we'll be discussing how we'll do this in the next video. So we'll set up the landing page with the opt-in page. Step 7 is to set up the thank you or confirmation page, confirming their opt-in. This will also be done in the autoresponder, and we're going to go through that in more detail in the next video. Step 8 is to set up the delivery email that will deliver that lead magnet to them. And all these steps are all part of the autoresponder sequence or funnel for this particular lead magnet, because remember, we can have a number of different lead magnets. We start off with one, but we can have more than one lead magnet and funnels for that particular lead magnet. Then we need to consider our exposure or traffic, where our ideal customers are, and we need to format the right message and get that in front of our ideal customers. We're going to test different lead magnets, and we're going to test different landing pages. So we're going to go over this in the upcoming videos. So I'm just going to summarize again the steps. We're going to write down the list of problems that our ideal customers have. We're going to decide which particular problem we'll be targeting. We're going to write or format or create the solution. We're going to decide what format is best for that solution. We're going to make the contents concise and easy to digest and apply. These are the tools that we can use for this. We're going into more detail in the next videos for those. We're going to set up our landing page with an opt-in form connected to our autoresponder service. Set up our thank you or confirmation page, confirming their opt-in. Then we're going to set up our delivery email, which will deliver that lead magnet to them. So in the next videos, we're going to go through each thing more thoroughly. So I'll see you on the next videos. Do give this video a like, please, and a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.